Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and a very happy Navratri to all of you. Today I have created this makeup keeping the festivals in mind. So you can wear this golden eyes with classic red lips for this Navratri as well as Diwali. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So without much further ado, let's quickly start with the tutorial.
Sweet melody when I dance on your fly, 'cause I know what you don't.
So first I'm going to apply the MAC Prep and Prime Cream, and next I am going to use the MAC Strobe Cream. This will give me a nice shine, a glow to my face. For concealing the dark spots and the problematic areas of my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm going to blend it with the angled brush. So if you have been following me, you know I always moisturize my face like 15-20 minutes before I apply the makeup. So I would suggest you to apply a good moisturizer at least 10 to 15 minutes before you put on the makeup. You can use any moisturizer of your choice.
Moving ahead to the foundation, I'm going to use this Sugar foundation in the shade 20, and I'm going to blend it using a damp sponge. So for highlighting the under eyes, nose and my chin, I'm using the Sugar concealer. This is the second lightest shade that they have got. Again, I'm going to blend it with the same sponge because this gives me a natural look. I don't remember the shade right now. I am going to mention all the shades and the product in the description box, so you can check it out if you want to know the shade.
Now moving ahead, I am going to contour my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe. I love cream contouring because it gives me a natural look.
Does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, how sad.
I always contour my lips. This gives me a fuller lip effect. So the new thing that I'm going to do in this tutorial will be contouring my chin. So I'm going to apply a little bit on my chin and going to blend it with the sponge. To avoid the creasing, I am going to set my under eye area with the L'Oreal Matte Magique Compact. Also going to set near my mouth. Also going to use the Wet n Wild contour palette for brightening the under eye area. I'm using the banana shade. Going to use the same palette for setting up my contour. So I'm using the dark shade for setting the contour. I'm using the same Wet n Wild brush, and after applying it, I'm going to blend it. So going to contour my nose. I'm going to blend it with the small brush. Now moving ahead, for prepping my eyelids for the eyeshadow, I am using the concealer on the eyelids, and I'm also going to set this with the powder. For blush, I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics blush in the shade Coral Climax. For fixing my makeup, I am going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Fixing Spray. When the fixing spray is half dried, I am going to apply some highlighter. I'm using the Revolution highlighter. I will mention the product in the description bar below. I have bought this from Hawk Makeup, so I cannot provide you the link, but yeah, I will be mentioning the shade and everything. Now filling up my brows with the Nykaa brow tint, and again I'm going to put the shade and everything in the description bar below. Okay, I am going to brush it with this spoolie to blend the product that I have applied. Moving on to the eyes, I am using this You Can Be Choco Fusion palette and going to take the light brown shade. Okay, and taking a fluffy brush and blending it in my crease area.
I'll keep adding the eyeshadow till the time I don't get my desired color, and I'll keep on blending it. Next I'm going to use this dark brown shade and going to apply it with this flat fluffy brush. I'm going to put this shade on the outer corners as well as in the inner corners, but I'm going to keep the middle portion clean. Like, I'm not going to put any shade especially in the middle part, because I'm going to put the shimmer shade in the middle. Also going to apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use my finger to apply the shimmer shade. Next I'm going to take this shade from the same palette and going to blend the golden shade with the matte shade so that there are no harsh edges. So I was happy with the pigmentation, but still I went ahead with the brush and I sprayed some fixing spray, and then I applied the shimmer shade again, because when I was blending it with the matte shade it was kind of fading out. Now I'm going to blend all the edges properly, taking this shade from the same eyeshadow palette and highlighting the brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to remove all the fallouts that I had with the fluffy brush, taking the same golden shade and putting it in my lower lash line, in the inner part of my lower lash line. Moving ahead with my lashes, I'm going to put the black coal from Sugar and going to apply it on the upper lash line. Next I'm going to apply this Wet n Wild mascara. I'm going to put the falsies off camera, and these are the Pac Mink lashes. Now I'm going to apply this Maybelline Colossal liner in the shade black on the top of the lash band, so that the lash band is not very visible. Also going to create a small wing. I'm going to apply a white kajal on my lower lash line, and this is from Lakme. I didn't realize when my camera stopped recording, so I'll just let you know. I applied a coat of mascara again to blend the natural lashes with my falsies to give it a natural look. Also I applied this red lipstick in the shade Mimosa, and this is from Sugar. So this is the final look, and I am really in love with the golden eyes. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.